Hello, this is Michael Robbins from Gimbal Logic with a demonstration of barcode scanning in Salesforce to manage work items. The management of physical work items is required in many different business processes and industries. Just some examples to which this technology applies: manufacturing of orthotics or dental aligners or hearing aids, repair of mobile devices and watches, and light manufacturing and processing, including plating, anodizing, fabricating. In any one of these examples, we can place a barcode tag on the item that needs to be tracked or on the container of the item that needs to be tracked. And our general objectives are to achieve some real-time tracking of the work items so that we can know for an individual work item at any given time when was it last seen, where was it last seen, whose custody is it in, which processes have been completed. Some productivity reporting so we can get a sense of when and why it may take longer to complete some jobs rather than others, and also a detailed audit trail so we can see what's happened to this work item over time, who's touched it, which processes have been executed on it. We're going to be using the case object for this demonstration, but really any standard or custom object, jobs, orders, etc. Can be used. We're going to first go to that object and print out some barcode labels that will be affixed to the item that is being processed or to the container of that item. And then subsequently we're going to be scanning those barcodes as the item arrives at different states or at different processing locations. And every time we scan a barcode, we'll be able to update the case record, or if we're using some standard or custom object other than case, we could be doing it to that object as well. Okay, let's get started. I'm here on the Cases tab. I'm going to select a few cases and print out some barcode labels for those cases. And I've printed these out and I have them sitting on my desk in front of me. I'm going to go to the Scan to Update Case tab, and we see a list of cases that I've recently touched, and I'm going to scan the barcode for case 1002. Some details of the case come up, and I'm going to update the status of this case, and now we see that it has been updated. So that's one way to update cases on an individual basis. We can also do a rapid update if multiple cases need to be updated to the same status. Say you've got a bunch of items that are sitting on a table and all of them need to be updated to the same value. Select the new case status, click Continue, and now I'm going to scan multiple barcodes, and every time I scan a barcode, the case is retrieved and the status of that case is updated. Finally, one simple function that is often very useful is to be able to scan the barcode of a case in order to be redirected to the full detail page for that case. Now the same functionality is available over here on the mobile device. On the mobile device, I'm going to select the Scan to Update Case tab, and I'm going to click the blue button to launch the camera of the mobile device, scan a barcode, and update the status of that case. Okay, this concludes our demonstration of scanning barcodes in Salesforce to manage work items. If you have questions that haven't been answered by this video, or requirements that differ slightly from what we've presented, or if you just want to talk about next steps and what's involved in getting up and running with this kind of solution, please get in touch with us.